It's come to my attention that a lot of people didn't know that there are a lot of poisonous birds out there, and a lot of people in the US used to get very sick or even expire from eating game birds. This is a ruffed grouse. It's found all over North America, and the hunting season for these guys is usually September and as late as December. But if you start to get into late winter and early spring, you could be risking your life. That's because these guys like to eat toxic evergreen shrubs when they don't have other things available that may not be poisonous. However, the act of eating it lines their bodies with a neurotoxin. Prior to the advent of hunting seasons, being poisoned by one of these guys was pretty common, and it was largely forgotten until recent days. Except it hasn't gone away. In 2006, a 12-year-old boy was nearly fatally poisoned after eating a European quail. The child experienced rhabdomyolysis, which is essentially when the proteins in your muscles fall apart. That kind of toxin is called a protease toxin. No one is quite sure what that quail was eating in order to get this kind of toxin in its body. This is a stark reminder that sometimes rules are in place to protect you, and if we go long enough without seeing the consequence of breaking those rules, sometimes we forget what we used to know as a society. Maybe the lesson here is that our dinosaur brethren can be really freaking dangerous.